Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer for kids Reddit available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer for kids Reddit, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Creality Halot Mage Pro 8K Resin 3D Printer. The Halot Mage Pro Resin printer's max printing speed can reach 170 mm per hour, making it 3 to 5 times faster than regular resin printers. The Dynax motion system steadily raises and lowers the build plate in 1.2 seconds, greatly improving printing speed and accuracy. The Halot Mage Pro can rival that of 12K 3D resin printer due to offer over 90% irradiance uniformity. The 8K resin printer also has a luxurious build size of 228 by 128 by 230, offering a larger creative space. The Creality 3D resin printer upgrade to an improved Creality Integral Light Source 3.0, it can over 90% irradiance uniformity and 8000 microwatts per square centimeter light intensity, curing a layer in ones with standard 405 nanometers resin, offering a much more uniform light exposure, thus improving the quality of 3D printing models. The Creality Resin 3D printer comes with automatic resin filling and pumping, capable of refilling or recycling 1 liter of resin within half an hour, reducing manual operation with an open feed tube that is compatible with any resin storage container. Number 2. FlashForge 3D Printer Adventurer 4 Pro. Adventurer 4 Pro. Our printer takes efficiency to a new level with automatic bed leveling, rapid nozzle replacement, including hardened and high-speed nozzles, and a high-speed printing capability of 300 mm per second. Experience the ability to achieve precise prints quickly and effortlessly. We prioritize the details. Equipped with 3 extruder fans, Adventurer 4 Pro ensures optimal cooling for consistent temperature control, resulting in impeccable print quality. Combined with a flexible pay platform that facilitates easy print removal, you'll enjoy flawless finishes and reduced risk of damage. Your well-being matters. It incorporates a HEPA 13 air filtration system, effectively capturing ultra-fine particles and ensuring clean and breathable air in your workspace. Breathe easy while enjoying the incredible possibilities of 3D printing. We understand the frustration of failed prints. That's why our printer features upgraded filament detection and print resume capabilities. Never worry about filament breaks or power outages again. Simply resume printing where you left off, ensuring a seamless printing experience. With a built-in camera, you can monitor your prints remotely. Additionally, the energy-saving mode optimizes power consumption without compromising print quality, reducing environmental impact and lowering costs. All of our 3D printers provide 1 month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty and reliable 12-hour response service. At FlashForge, zero risk purchases for every customer's smiles. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. This printer excels in high-speed printing, hitting up to 500 mm per second with 8000 mm/s² acceleration. The Touch UI and real-time preview streamline printing, while the CR touch sensor ensures precise platform leveling. Give you a smoother printing process. 3v3 can handle various filaments, PLA, PETC, ABS, TPU95A, as a high configuration sprite direct extruder, 60 watts ceramic heater, bimetal heat break, and copper nozzle enable 300C printing and smooth feeding. Engineered for stability. Number 4. Toybox 3D One Touch Kid-Friendly Children's Printer. Built to be used by children, Toybox can be controlled with simple one-touch functions. No adult assistance needed, no need to adjust removable print bed, easy filament loading and novel print bed design that doesn't require a knife to remove prints like most 3D printers. Thousands of awesome toys are available at your fingertips in our toy box catalog. New toys added weekly and seasonally. Upload designs to create your own toys or draw them and bring them to life through our user-friendly apps and tools. Your creations are stored on the cloud for easy access. Our printer has a great form factor. It is a small convenient size and can connect to the cloud through Wi-Fi, making it a standalone computer. Number 5. Intina 3D Printers Tina 2S. Intina Tina 2S, a 3D printer for beginners and children, compact body, ready to use out of the box, fully assembled, no complicated settings to start printing, SD card, and APP comes with multiple models. Fully meet the printing needs of entry-level players. Instantly start the perfect printing experience. Equipped with the new self-developed APP, massive model library, to achieve one-click control of the printer. Print at your own pace. You can choose to print in multiple ways via APP/USB/WeBuilder slicing software, fully open source and compatible with Cura, Simplify 3D and Slick 3R slicing software. Upgraded Wi-Fi module with 5 times faster file transfer speed, supporting faster and more stable file transfer for a perfect printing experience. Convenient networking design. Use PP Local APP to network with one click and say goodbye to tedious network settings. Built-in LED light, at any time and anywhere to observe the printing process of the printer, more clearly show the working status of the printer. Quick change test nozzle to reduce the printer clogging problem, greatly reducing the difficulty of replacing accessories, making the printer easier to operate. Dual Z-axis guide design, to ensure stable movement. Full silent motherboard, give your family a quiet printing environment. Upgraded fan support, a key to switch the silent mode. The high-speed fan helps to achieve better molding effect and excellent print quality, reduce the loss of supplies. The small 3D printer has a built-in automatic leveling system that eliminates the need for manual adjustments for successful printing. Features a flexible and removable spring steel build plate to reduce model warpage issues, easy removal of prints, and easy cleaning of the platform.